Alright, so we got two resources, a resource group which hosts our computer vision. All I'm going to do now is create a new project. I'll name it Unreal Tournament. I'll go ahead and just select the defaults. Create project. Now I can add some files. So we need about 5 screenshots minimum per character. So I'm just going to pick 5 for Bender. Just as a fictional character. I know it's not Unreal Tournament, but he's my favorite fictional character. We'll pick Brock. One of these is UT99 screenshot. We got Cathode. Cathode was probably one of my first fictional crushes when I was a little boy. Kind of weird, but whatever. Then we got Cobalt. Corrosion. I'll add Divisor as well. Let's see if we can differentiate Cathode and Divisor. So anyways, I uploaded a whole bunch of different ones. I just didn't want to record the whole process. So I'm going to go ahead and build the train. So I'm training the iteration right now. This is going to take a little while. In the meantime, I'm going to record some gameplay footage so I can get some screenshots.
Adrenaline.
So anyways, that's enough gameplay. Let's go ahead and go through the screenshots I took of some of the matches. So the first one we got Divisor. And as you can see, it thinks it's Cathode. So Divisor is all the way at the bottom. So it doesn't really understand that or see it. Satin, here's a great picture of Satin, but it thinks it's Malcolm. So let's try the next one. Here's Malcolm, but it doesn't even see him, so it thinks he's Cobalt. Here's Corrosion, and it's 33% sure it's Corrosion. Not that sure, but at least it got it right there. So the next one is Divisor and Sapphire, and so we got Sapphire right at least, but it thinks it's Cathode, so it can't tell the difference between Divisor and Cathode. Here's Zan, and it thinks it's Cathode or Enigma. The next one we have Jacob flying without a leg, and it thinks it's Malcolm, which is close enough, I guess, from that angle. Here's Brock, and it thinks it's Bender. So it's definitely not Bender. And here's Malcolm. And Malcolm is not the top choice here. Here's Divisor, and it thinks it's Sapphire, so Divisor's not on the list. And here's Cathode, and this one's for sure. So this one's the best one that we got so far, but it seems like Azure Computer Vision, it can tell that this one's Sapphire. It can tell that this concept art is Sapphire. And if we go under Bender, it thinks it's Cathode, so it can't tell that that's Bender. This one as well, it doesn't see that it's Bender. This one thinks it's Cathode, even though I created Enigma pictures to train it. So let's try a UT99 model of Malcolm. We could see that it sees that that's Malcolm at least. And let's try this one. So this one, Malcolm and Sapphire are both in the picture, but it doesn't see them. So if you're going to use Azure Computer Vision to train your model to detect Unreal Tournament characters, you might need a lot more pictures than just 5 pictures per character. Because in this current state, it obviously can't really tell the difference between different models, and either way was fun.